I've worked for 20 years in technical roles, and I was looking for a way to elevate my strategic thinking, my enterprise thinking through the Rutgers Executive MBA program here in the New Jersey, New York business area. I wanted to feel more comfortable to engage with all the stakeholders at work, not only my direct team, but also the senior leadership and even the shareholders of the company. It was particularly the strategy and the finance classes that helped me get a new perspective and to engage with all the stakeholders to really transform my business and engage my teams and create a turnaround. So for me, a very interesting learning moment came in the strategy class with Professor Kim, where we learned about the product life cycle and how to apply that to your business. And that helped me to differentiate how we were managing the strategy around our different product lines. Whenever I have to engage now with the executives, I feel a lot more at ease because this program has helped me to understand the thinking of our shareholders and to craft my messaging to better engage with them.